Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and of course in the news this week. If you had an iPhone at some point in a series of different model iPhones that were in the class action lawsuit for the management of the battery, that Apple didn't just say that they would throttle down the consumption for the battery, slow down your phone basically. Of course, there was a settlement that arrived 5 years ago, long time ago, and that settlement was $500 million. At the time, they were estimating that $25 per person that has actually done a claim. Now, of course, don't try to go and claim anything today, as this stopped in 2020. Now, the reason it took so long for this settlement to actually arrive with the money to the users is that there were a couple of users that tried to get more and went to court, and that delayed everything. And finally, it was settled that nope, there's not going to be more than what is predicted here. But the good news is that if you have made a claim, the first amount was $25, but because fewer people than expected have actually signed for the claim, the amount that each person will receive is $65. So it's pretty cool. So if you're in there, hang in there, you're going to receive $65 for the class action lawsuit. You need to be fair and open with your users when things happen. Apple in this case was not. It was actually throttling down speed as the battery was going lower, and not telling any users. And people, of course, probably purchased new phones because they thought their phone was, going away, was just slowing down and needed something better. So $65 is the amount that you will receive. It should be something that's going to be pushed sometime this fall to early next year. So if you were in that class action lawsuit, money is arriving soon. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.